welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Sheila again. So guys, today we're going to make a chicken sandwich, but before that, I'm going to show you to you guys some ingredients that we're going to use to my chicken sandwich and tuna sandwiches. So stay tuned, okay? So today guys, I'm gonna show it to you kasi dalawa ang sandwiches na gagawin natin. So, we have a chicken for our chicken sandwiches, pickles, dice of onion. It's a dice of pickles, dice of onion, and then sugar, and of course, mayonnaise, and pepper, salt to our chicken sandwich. And then we're gonna make also a tuna sandwich where I'm gonna use a century tuna. So century tuna, I advertise your product, so hopefully you're gonna give me more and more of century tuna product. And then of course, we're still gonna use for our century tuna sandwich, we're gonna use a pickles and the same what we're gonna use to our chicken. And of course, we need a bread kasi i-try natin yung ating sandwiches na ating gagawin. And then we have a lettuce. So, let's start! Okay, so una natin gagawin yung ating chicken sandwich. So, we're gonna use a mayonnaise. So, maglalagay lang tayo, guys, like 5 tablespoons of a mayonnaise. For now, we will see, okay? Estimate lang natin 5. Or it depends sa'yo kung mahilig kayo sa maraming mayonnaise. Go ahead at depende din ho sa panglasa ninyo. At depende sa rami. It depends of how yung amount, the amount of your chicken. And then, it depends to your mixture. So, ayan. So, for me, like 5 tablespoons or 6 something. Because I don't like too much like mayonnaise. But it's gonna be add a little sour to our chicken sandwich. So, ayan. Naglagay na tayo ng mayonnaise. And then, we're gonna add a little bit, I guess. Ayan. A little bit. Guys, you can estimate the mayonnaise that you want gonna put in your chicken sandwiches. Depend again. Again, it depends on your chicken, the amount of chicken that you're going to use or you're going to make. So, and then I'm gonna put a 1 teaspoon of white sugar. And then we're gonna put like a teaspoon also with salt. And a dash of pepper, konti lang. And then we're gonna use like, kasi i-save natin for our tuna. So we're gonna use like 2, 3, I guess 3 tablespoon or 4 of pickles. Kasi konti lang naman yung tuna na gagamitin natin. So we're gonna add more to my chicken sandwich. It's easy lang, guys. And then we're gonna put the onions like a 2 tablespoon. Ayan. Para lang medyo may lasa-lasa yung ating chicken sandwich. And then, i-mix lang natin na i-mix. Ayan. Okay, we're gonna do our tuna. So, I drained the oil. Or the water. Sorry, it's a water. And then, here you go, the tuna. And then, we gonna put a mayonnaise too. It's still, again, estimated. Whatever that amount of tuna that you're going to make, it depends on you kung mahilig kayo sa marami. If you like more mayonnaise. Ayan. So, like 4 tablespoons or 5 still too. 4 again. 4 I guess. And then, again, we're gonna put a half teaspoon only of a sugar. Because this is like a little tuna. And then a salt also. Kasi may lasa na ho yung tuna natin. So, we don't need too much salt. And we're gonna add the pepper. And again, we still gonna add the onion too. Ayan. So, kung gagawa kayo ng chicken sandwich, may variety kayo dapat. You have a tuna too. So that meron silang pipilian. So that they have choices to choose what sandwich that they want to make. Right? Para they won't gonna be bored or they won't gonna be like, I don't want a chicken sandwich. I already have a chicken sandwich today. So the next day, they want tuna. There, the tuna is here. It's ready. Ayan, tuna sandwich. Parang ganyan lang. It's so easy. Mayroon lang ho kayong mga reserve na sandwiches na mas healthy pa ho. Healthy ho sa mga kids nyo. Because, you know, it's a steamed chicken and then there's a vegetable. You could put a lettuce and a bread, you know. So easy. Ayan. Eto lang yung, see? It's really quick. Ayan. I-mix lang natin konti para maano yung sugar na nilagay natin. Okay, we're going to try our chicken sandwich. I'm gonna show it to you how I made my chicken sandwich to my kids. So, ito yung chicken fillings natin na ginawa natin earlier that we made. Ito na siya. Diba? Mga chunky-chunky. Magbubusog na yan sila. They have a carbohydrates and protein already. And they have a vegetable too if they gonna make a chicken sandwich. Ayan. And then, lagyan nyo lang ho ng lettuce. Medyo malaki yung lettuce ko. Kuwasan natin. Ayan. But ayoko ho masayang. I'm gonna put it there too. Because I love lettuce. Ayan. Eto na ho yung ating chicken sandwich. Ayan. We're gonna cut like this. So, it's easy as to eat it. Ayan. Sorry. Ayan. See later. After I doing the TikTok, I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna be hungry. I already ate dinner. Ayan. Ready. Tapos na ho yung ating chicken sandwich. And then we're gonna do the tuna. We're gonna try that tuna too. Okay. So this is our tuna, the small one. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna put tuna. Ipa-try ko to sa mga kiddos ko. Kasi my husband, he's a keto diet. So hindi siya pwede sa bread. Ayan. So mga kiddos ko lang at saka ako. Ayan. Ayan ako yung tuna. And they love tuna, and I love tuna too. And, lagyan natin ng lettuce too. Hindi ko to isayang, kakainin ko yan. I don't want gonna waste it. Ayan. Ay, naku, excited na ho ako. Kainin natin yung ating sandwiches. Ayan. So, meron na ho ako chicken at tuna sandwich. Look at that, guys. It looks yummy, ha? Mwah. Okay. So, ayan. So, tapos na po tayo ng ating paggawa ng ating chicken sandwiches and tuna sandwiches. Thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. Please keep watching my YouTube channel. I love you all. Bye. Have a blessed day. Yay. Hope you enjoy my chicken and salad sandwiches. This is good for your kids and your family. Bye. Love you.